big attack.
Yep, big attack now. I'll get us some blocks. Damn. That Sovereign Blade does 102. Alright, 10 more. 10 more hits, guys.
He's so close. I can feel it. I can feel how close he's to dead.
It's right there. He will die in the next turn, maybe. Actually, no, I read that wrong. I thought that's at 70 HP. That's 701. What am I doing?
He's gonna take a lot as soon as that goes off. Oh, it'll tick down this turn and then we can do it. Okay, he's vulnerable.
Yes.
Everybody...
Alright, guys.
Hold on, I'm gonna check and make sure I don't have more forge before we use it, though. I do, hold on.
Holy shit.
Okay, hit him, hit him!
Oh my god. He's almost. Oh, let's go!
Let's go!
Hey!
Fucking knew.
There we go.
Let's go. Oh, Demon Form. I'll take gaining a 2 strength every turn. Sounds pretty good to me.
Act 2.
Let's see where we want to go first.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4 on that side.
Let's give it a gander.
Check my face.
There's 2 here.
Oh my god.
If we go this path.
What are you drawing?
No, I'm thinking with a little more chest hair on it, because we could just go through like these 2 elites right here.
We could go through elites. I just like.
It'll be
doing
3
that.
fights in a row up there, though.
Yeah.
We could like at the chest regroup and see how well we're doing, and then decide which way we're going.
Because this side provides the most question marks at 5, but we can. All right, I need to click on this.
Mighty Morphin Power Rangers got a new design. I saw. Pretty cool.
Making an evil, creepy pasta slay the spire. One day I was playing Slay the Spire 2 online, but a weird face appeared.
Is that the YouTube introduction?
Yeah.
Hmm.
And he had a weird baseball cap.
Oh yeah, where are we going?
We have to click on.
Where? Here?
Hey, we got to do the bottom.
Yeah, we have to
we
go-
didn't do our little intro.
Puppet, all the way up.
Palm
here.
pickup upgrade 6 random cards.
All of us.
See 15 cards from the silent. Choose any number of them to add to your deck.
Oh,
I'm not the silent.
change the skill with the mute.
It's luminous.
You may re-roll each card reward once. I think I'm gonna take that.
Oh, this is nice, but Touch of Orbis. Replace Burning Blood with Black Blood is pretty nice. Just gain 6 more health, 12 HP. That's feeling pretty good to me.
Oh, Sandcastle.
Upgrade 6 random cards. That sounds pretty nice.
Whoops.
You guys got sandcastles?
Yeah.
Cool.
Which way there be side? Left, middle, right?
I can't see because the faces are in the way. Middle.
Middle.
For sure. Okay, relax. It got like a little angry circle around it because you clicked it too many times.
Hard to kill. Oh.